Hey. So my father bought himself a new toy, and unlike most of the toys he buys, this one actually runs. 74 Honda CB550 4-cylinder, and it's a pretty nice bike. It needs a couple things. The previous owner, this was his first bike, and he wasn't up on all the adjustments and whatnot, so it needs a couple things sorted. So I'm sure in the future we'll see a few odds and ends videos on this bike, and stay tuned for the end of the video. He took some pictures of a place near where he picked the bike up, and they got some interesting old iron at this place. Nice. You'll see here he starts it by a Kickstarter. The electric starter actually does work on it. We didn't get any footage of that, and actually the button is a little wonky, but nothing that can't be sorted. But basically all this bike needs is some little bit of brake adjustment, clutch adjustment, you know, your normal maintenance things that haven't been done in a few years, it seems. But other than that, it's a very nice little bike. Hey. Not bad.
Yep.
It's harder to get on.